Hi friends, today's topic is Development of Operations Research. This is Dr. G. Janardhanaraju, Dean School of Engineering, Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's Group of Institutions, Hyderabad. The term Operations Research was coined by McCloskey and Crefton in 1940, United Kingdom. Operations research has its beginning in the World War II. Initially, British scientists set up the first field installations of radars during the war and observed their operations. They found that operations have been greatly improved and increased the effectiveness of British fighters and contributed to the success of British defense. Operations research was then extended to anti-submarine warfare and to all phases of military, naval, and air operations both in Britain and in the United States. In the year 1948, Operations Research Club was formed in England, later changed its name to the Operational Research Society of UK. On behalf of this, its journal War Quarterly first appeared in 1950. In the year 1949, the first war unit was established in the Regional Research Laboratory at Hyderabad. At about the same time, another group was set up in the Defense Science Laboratory to solve the problems of stores, purchase, and planning. During 1950s, substantial progress in the application of war techniques for civilian activities, along with a great interest in the professional development and education of operations research. Many colleges and universities introduced war in their curriculum. In the year 1951, in the United States of America, the National Research Council formed a committee on war and was published the first book on the subject called Methods of Operations Research by Morse and Kimball. In the year 1952, Operation Research Society of America, called ORSA, came into existence and its journal Operations Research was first published in the year 1953. In the year 1953, Professor P.C. Mahalanobis established war unit in the Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, with the aim of using operations research method in the national planning and survey. In the year 1955, War Society of India, called ORSI, was founded and started its journal of such 1964 onwards. In the year 1959, the International Federation of Operational Research Societies, called IFORS, with its headquarters in London, was founded in 1959. Presently, the IFORS comprises member societies from many countries of the world. In the year 1960, war groups were formed in several organizations called educational and professional development programs were expanded at all levels, and certain firms specializing in decision analysis were also formed. In the year 1967, the American Institute for Decision Sciences came into existence, started publishing a journal called Decision Science in the year 1970. The members of the IFORS are India, USA, UK, Japan, France, and West Germany, etc. Success of operations research in military attracted the attention of industrial engineers who were seeking solutions to their complex problems. As a whole, almost every large organizations in different nations are started applying operations research, and the use of war has spread from military to widely varied departments at all levels. Availability of faster and flexible computing facilities and the qualified war professionals has enhanced the acceptance and popularity of the subject. The growth of war has not been limited to the USA and UK, and it has been reached to many countries of the world at present. When we look at India, initially Professor Mahalanobis made the first important application of war. In fact, he formulated the second 5-year plan with the help of war techniques used to forecast the trends of demand, availability of resources, and for scheduling the complex schemes necessary for developing our country's economy. Planning Commission made the use of war techniques for planning the optimum size of the Caravelle fleet of Indian Airlines. Most popular practical application of war in India has been mainly of linear programming. With the exception of government and textile industries, other industries have been more or less frequently distributed. Let us see the definitions of operation research defined by different organizations and authors. First definition by Operational Research Society of UK. Operations research is the application of the methods and science to complex problems in the direction and management of large systems of man, machines, materials, and money in the industry, business, government, and defense. The distinctive approach is to develop a scientific model of the system incorporating measurements of factors such as chance and risk, with which to predict and compare the outcomes of alternative decisions, strategies, or controls. The purpose is to help management in determining its policy and actions scientifically. If you look at the definition of this operation research, mainly here application of methods and science to complex problems in the direction of management of large systems. If you take any organization which comprises of man, machines, materials, and money, either in the industry or in the business or in the government or defense, the OR can be applied to manage all these resources in different organizations like this. At the same time, is also explaining the distinctive approach is to develop a scientific model of systems incorporating measurements of factors such as chance and risk. Next definition of operations research by Committee of Operations Research, National Research Council of USA. The application of the scientific method to the study of operations of large complex organizations or activities. It provides top-level administrators with a quantitative basis for decisions that will increase the effectiveness of such organizations in carrying out their basic purposes. Here also it is emphasizing that to study the operations of large complex organizations, and always it provides a basis called quantitative basis for decisions that will increase the effectiveness of such organizations in carrying out their basic purposes. War Society of America. War is concerned with scientifically deciding how to best design and operate man-machine systems, usually under conditions requiring the allocation of scarce resources. T.L. Southey has defined the operation research as it is the art of giving bad answers to problems which otherwise have worse answers. See, always operation research will try to attempt the problems of any type and will try to give the bad answer sometime, otherwise will have worse answers. War definition by Arthur Clarke. War is the art of winning wars without actually fighting. War is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management It is by H.M. Wagner. Now let us see the definition of operation research by Churchman, Acuff and Arnott. Operations research is the application of scientific methods, techniques and tools to problems involving the operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with optimum solution to the problem. See, we have seen any operation research is mainly meant for applying the complex problems of the large organizations, and it has the basis called scientific approach, and it gives the quantitative base. It provides the quantitative base so that executives at different levels will be comfortable to take decisions. Thank you.